going to show you a handy little hack for managing the use of your hashtags. So to do this, I'm going to take you to the report section of Maybe. So from within report, choose your report. Now it will automatically default to the last week, but let's go back in time and look at a month's worth of data. On the left-hand side, you will now see all the metrics that you might want to report on. But the report that I'm particularly interested in today, which is going to make my life and your life easier, is hashtags that they use. So let's select that report. And what we will now see for the period of time up here, so from the 1st of July to the 28th of July, is the most commonly used hashtags that Maybe has added to its social media posts. And for you or your business, it will be the hashtags that you've most frequently used. So we've taken this one step further and added this little copy button on. Now, when you click that button, copy, what you will now be able to do is, whether you are scheduling an Instagram post, Facebook post, or a tweet, you will now be able to paste your most commonly used hashtags directly onto your post. And that is quite the time saver if you're anything like me and you've got a series of hashtags that you like to use on your social media posts. Maybe on Instagram you can use up to 30, of course, and that's quite a lot of tags to try and remember. So with that function, with our handy little hack, you can copy your hashtags, and then when you create a post in the Maybe content calendar, you can simply just paste all your most commonly used hashtags into the post. Of course, then you can take out any you don't want to use, and hopefully that saves you a little bit of time. If you are after any more tips and tricks from the Maybe team, you can use the blue button down here in the bottom right of the screen. You can talk to us directly by having a chat with us at any time, or you can search our knowledge base of articles. We've got something for everyone, including how to get the most out of your hashtags. So let's just see that trick in action. So now I'm creating a new post. And you can see that all those hashtags there that I would usually add to my post, and I can just choose to edit them as I see fit. So I hope that's been useful, and we will see you again soon.